नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics second means geometry, fifth chapter is coordinate geometry and practice set 5.1. Question number 3, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from A minus 3, 4 and B 1 minus 4. Now answer. Now let point D and coordinates x 0 on the x-axis equidistance from A minus 3, 4 and B 1 minus 4. मग या ठिकाणी आपण जर पॉईंट घेतला जो इक्विडिस्टन्स आहे फ्रॉम ए अँड बी, आपण एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एक्स घेतला आणि एक्स ॲक्सिसवर आपल्याला वाय कोऑर्डिनेट हा 0 असतो आणि म्हणून हा डी पॉईंट त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट जे आहे एक्स 0 आपल्याला माहीत आहे. मग डी ए इज इक्वल टू डी बी मीन्स इक्विडिस्टन्स अँड हेन्स taking square means dA square is equal to dB square by using the distance formula. त्यानंतर आपण डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला जर या ठिकाणी यूज केला तर मग dA स्क्वेअरसाठी या ठिकाणी आपल्याला यूज करायचा आहे x2 minus x1 square means here x2 means here x, then minus x1 means minus 3 whole square, then plus y2. Now here y2 means 0, then minus y1 is 4 bracket square, which is equal to now dB square means x minus x1 means minus 1 bracket square, then plus y2 here minus y1 square means minus 4 square. Now solving we get, now here x minus minus plus 3 means x plus 3 whole square, then 0 minus 4 means minus 4 square means 16, which is equal to, now here x minus 1 bracket square means x square minus 2x plus 1, then plus here minus minus plus 4 square means 16. Now here 16 get cancel and hence now solving this x square then plus 3 into x into 2 means 6x plus 3 square means 9, which is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Now x square get cancelled, then here 6x, then taking minus 2x here means plus 2x, which is equal to this 1 plus 9. Now taking here minus 9 and hence here 6 plus 2 means 8x is equal to 1 minus 9 means minus 8 and hence x is equal to minus 8 upon 8 get cancelled and hence x is equal to minus 1. The point Now here x means minus 1 and y coordinate is 0, and hence point minus 1 0 is equidistant from A minus 3 4 and B 1 minus 4. This is the answer. Then next example, that is fourth example. Verify that points P minus 2 2, Q 2 2 and R 2 7 are vertices of a right angled triangle. आता हे जे 3 पॉइंट्स आहे हे व्हर्टायसेस आहे ऑफ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. मग आपल्याला या ठिकाणी समजा अशा प्रकारचा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल जर असेल तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कोणते तरी घ्यावं लागेल पॉइंट्स, आणि ज्या साईड्स आहे त्या साईड्स आपल्याला फाइंड करावं लागेल. आणि म्हणून जो डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला आहे आपल्याला फाइंड करावं लागेल डिस्टन्स. जसं या ठिकाणी पी क्यू हे जे डिस्टन्स आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं असेल तर पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू x2 मायनस x1 स्क्वेअर प्लस y2 मायनस y1 स्क्वेअर हा डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. आणि म्हणून पी क्यूमध्ये आपल्याला x2 means 2, then minus x1 means minus 2, x2 minus x1 square, then plus y2 means 2 minus y1 means 2 bracket square. याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड करावं लागेल कारण हा डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला आहे. डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. विच इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट. नाउ हियर 2 minus minus plus 2 whole square, then plus 2 minus 2 means 0 square, which is equal to याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. विच इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 2 plus 2 means 4 square plus 0 square means 0, which is equal to square root आणि square get cancelled, and hence PQ is equal to only 4. This is number 1. हे आपण PQ काढलं. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला QR फाइंड करायचं आहे. QR इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला. QR जर फाइंड करायचं असेल पुन्हा x2 मीन्स 2 मायनस 2 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस y2 मीन्स 7 मायनस y1 इज 2 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. विच इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 2 minus 2 0 square, then plus 7 minus 2 means 5 square, which is equal to under root 5 square. या ठिकाणी square and square root get cancelled, which is equal to answer is 5. This is number 2. त्याच्यानंतर आपण PR फाइंड करायचं आहे. PR is equal to under root x2 minus x1. या ठिकाणी x2 is 2 minus x1 is minus 2 bracket square, then plus y2 is 7, then minus y1 is 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root. Now 2 here minus minus plus 2. 2 plus 2 means 4 square. Then plus 7 minus 2 means 5 square, which is equal to 4 square means 16 plus 5 square means 25. And hence here PR is equal to under root 16 plus 25 means 41, and hence PR square is equal to 41. Suppose this is number 3. या ठिकाणी आपण QR स्क्वेअर जर घेतलं, QR स्क्वेअर is equal to 25, PQ square is equal to 16. असं जर घेतलं तर फ्रॉम 1 to 3. आता 1 मध्ये, 2 मध्ये आणि 3 मध्ये आपल्याला बघायचं आहे PQ स्क्वेअर प्लस QR square is equal to PQ square means 16 plus QR square here means 25, which is equal to 41, which is equal to PR square, and hence now we can write PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square, and hence by converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Then fifth question, show that points P2 minus 2, Q7 3 are 11 minus 1 and S6 minus 6 are vertices of a parallelogram. Now here the parallelogram, we know the property of parallelogram. Now properties of a parallelogram are: number 1, opposite sides are equal. And diagonals are unequal. ऑपोजिट साइड्स आपल्याला फाइंड करायचे आहे, इक्वल असल्या पाहिजे आणि त्याचे डायगोनल्स जे आहे ते अनइक्वल असले पाहिजे. नाउ बाय distance formula, PQ is equal to under root, we know the formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square means here 7 minus 2 square, then plus y2 minus y1 square means 3 minus minus 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root 7 minus 2 means 5 square, then plus 3 minus minus plus 2, 3 plus 2 means here 5 square, which is equal to 5 square means 25 plus 25, which is equal to under root 50, means which is equal to 5 under root 2. This is the distance of PQ. Now QR is equal to under root x2 minus x1 means 11 minus 7 bracket square plus minus 1 minus 3 bracket square, which is equal to 11 minus 7 means 4 square, then minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4 square. Now here 4 square means 16, then minus 4 square means also 16, which is equal to under root 16 plus 16 means 32, which is equal to here 16 means 4 under root 2. This is the distance QR. Then RES is equal to, now under root x2 minus x1 means 6 minus 11, 6 minus 11 square, then y2 minus y1. Now here y2 means minus 6 minus minus 1 bracket square, which is equal to under root 6 minus 11 means minus 5 square, minus 5 square, then plus minus 6 plus minus minus plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 means minus 5 square, minus 5 square, which is equal to under root, now 5 square means 25, then plus minus 5 square means 25, which is equal to under root 50, which is equal to 5 root 2. This is RES. Then next PS. Now PS is equal to under root, again x2 minus x1 means 6 minus 2 bracket square, then plus y2 minus y1 square means minus 6, then minus 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root 6 minus 2 means 4 square, then plus minus 6 minus minus plus 2 means minus 4 square, minus 4 square, which is equal to under root, now 4 square means 16, then plus minus 4 square means also 16, which is equal to under root 32, which is equal to 4 under root 2. Now here, then PR. Suppose this PQ is 1, QR 4 under root 2, suppose this is 2, then RES is 5 under root 2, means this is 3. PS, value of PS 4 under root 2, suppose this is number 4. Then PR is equal to under root, again distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, means under root. Now here 11 minus 2 bracket square, then plus y2 minus y1 means minus 1 minus 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root 11 minus 2 means 9 square, then plus minus 1 minus plus 2 minus 1 means minus 1 square, which is equal to under root 9 square means 81 plus 1 square means 1, which is equal to under root 81 plus 1 means under root 82 here. This is number 5. Then QS is equal to under root 6 minus 7 bracket square, then plus minus 6 minus 3 bracket square, which is equal to under root 6 minus 7 means minus 1 square, then plus minus 6 minus plus 3 means minus 3 bracket square, which is equal to under root minus 1 square means 1 plus minus 3 square means 9, which is equal to under root 1 plus 9 means 10. This is number 6. Now from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 या ठिकाणी आपण जर ऑब्झर्व केलं तर PQ is equal to RES and QR is equal to PS, and similarly and PR is not equal to QS, and hence here diagonals are unequal. As opposite sides are equal, and hence quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Then sixth example, show that point A minus 4 minus 7 B minus 1 2 C 8 5 and D 5 minus 4 are vertices of a rhombus ABCD. या ठिकाणी रोम्बस आहे आणि रोम्बस असल्यामुळे आपल्याला माहीत पाहिजे की ऑल साइड्स आर we know all sides of a rhombus are equal and diagonals are unequal असं आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे. बाय डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला यूज करायचा आहे आणि आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे की ऑल साइड्स ह्या इक्वल आहे किंवा नाही. AB is equal to under root now x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square means here minus 1 minus 4 bracket square plus 2 minus 7 bracket square which is equal to under root now minus 1 minus plus 4 minus 1 means 3 square then plus 2 plus 7 means 9 square then which is equal to under root 3 square means 9 plus 9 square means 81 which is equal to under root 90 which is equal to 3 under root 10. Suppose this is 1. This is AB. Then BC. BC is equal to again by distance formula under root 8 minus 1 bracket square then plus 5 minus 2 bracket square which is equal to under root 8 plus 1 means 9 square then plus 5 minus 2 means 3 square which is equal to under root 9 square means 81 then plus 3 square means 9 then which is equal to under root 90 which is equal to 3 under root 10. Suppose this is number 2. Then CD. CD is equal to under root 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 square then plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus phi bracket square, which is equal to under root. Now phi minus 8 means minus 3 square, then plus minus 4 minus 5 means minus 9 square, which is equal to under root. Now minus 3 square, 3 3s are 9, then plus minus 9 square means 81, which is equal to under root. Now 9 plus 81 means 90, which is equal to 3 under root 10. This is number 3. This is the CD. Then AD. AD is equal to under root. AD is equal to pi minus minus 4. Pi minus minus 4 bracket square, then plus minus 4 minus 7, minus 4 minus minus 7 bracket square, which is equal to under root phi minus minus plus 4, 5 plus 4 means 9 square, then plus minus 4 minus minus plus 7, 7 minus 4 means 3 square, which is equal to under root 9 square means 81, then plus 3 square means 9, which is equal to under root 81 plus 9 means 90, which is equal to 3 under root 10. This is number 4. This is AD. Then we have to find AC and BD, the diagonals. Now AC is equal to, now AC is equal to under root 8 minus minus 4, 8 minus minus 4 bracket square, then 5 minus minus 7, 5 minus minus 7 bracket square, which is equal to under root 8 minus minus plus 4, 8 plus 4 means here 12 square, then plus 5 minus minus plus 7, 7 plus 5 means 12 square, which is equal to under root 12 square means 144 plus 144, which is equal to under root 288, which is equal to 12 under root 2. This is number 5. Then second diagonal, which is BD. BD is equal to, now under root 5 minus minus 1, 5 minus minus 1 square, then plus minus 4 minus 2, minus 4 minus 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root, now pi minus minus plus 1 means 6 square, then plus minus 4 minus 2 means minus 6 square, which is equal to under root 6 square means 36 plus 36, which is equal to under root 72, which is equal to 6 under root 2. This is 6. Now from this, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from this, AC is equal to, we can find AC is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to CD, AB, BC, CD, which is equal to AD, means these are equal. Hence all four sides are equal, and ACBD, AC is not equal to BD, कारण AC या ठिकाणी 12 रूट 2 आहे आणि BD ही 6 रूट 2 आहे, इक्वल नाही. And hence now we can write, hence A minus 4 minus 7, B minus 1 2, C 8 5, and D 5 minus 4 are vertices of a rhombus ABCD. Then seventh question, find x if distance between points L x7 and M 115 is 10. Answer. Now here point L and coordinates are x7 and point M coordinates are 115. Let this L means x1 y1 and point L M is x2 y2. Then by distance formula, Lm square is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now here putting the values, now Lm is given, that is 10, means here 10 square is equal to, now x2, now here x2 means 1 minus x1 is here, x1 is x bracket square, then plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 7 bracket square. Solving we get 10 square means 100 is equal to, now here 1 square minus product, twice product means x into 1 means x into 2 means 2x, then plus x square, then plus 15 minus 7 means 8 square. Hence 100 is equal to 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 8 square means 64. Then 100 minus 1 then minus 64 is equal to minus 2x plus x square. Then 100 minus 1 minus 64 means minus 65 means 35 is equal to minus 2x plus x square, and hence x square minus 2x, taking 35 here, minus 35 is equal to 0. Then solving we get, या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. मायनस 35 जर कॉमन घेतले आपण, इकडे त्याचे फॅक्टर जर घेतले तर 7 and 5 मीन्स मायनस 7 प्लस 5 असे होईल, आणि म्हणून x मायनस 7 इंटू x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. त्यानंतर याला आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0, and hence x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. This is the answer, and hence we can write the answer, and hence x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. This is the answer. Then 8th example, show that the points A 1 2, B 1 6, C 1 plus 2 root 3 4 are vertices of an equilateral triangle. आता हे जे 3 पॉइंट्स आहे A B C ज्याचे vertices are given आणि त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स मध्ये दिलेले आहे, तर हे इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल चे vertices आहे असं सांगितलं आहे. मीन्स वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Now these are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Now to find AB, AB means x2 minus x1 square, means here 1 minus 1 bracket square plus 6 minus 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root 1 minus 1 square means 0 square, 6 minus 2 means 4 plus 4 square, which is equal to 4 square means here 0 square means 0 plus 4 square which is equal to 4. This is the answer. Suppose this is 1, this is AB. Then find BC. BC is equal to 1 plus 2 root 3. 1 plus 2 root 3 then minus 1 bracket square, then plus 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6 bracket square, which is equal to under root. Now here 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 2 root 3 bracket square means 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12. Then plus 4 minus 6 means minus 2 square, minus 2 square means 4, which is equal to under root 16, which is equal to 4. This is 2. AB, BC, then find AC. AC is equal to under root. Now here 1 plus 2 root 3, then minus 1 bracket square, then plus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 bracket square, which is equal to under root. Here also plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 2 root 3 square, 2 square means 4, 4 3s are 12, then plus 4 minus 2 means 2 square means 4, which is equal to under root 16 means which is equal to 4. This is number 3. Now from 1 to 3, from 1 to and 3, AB is equal to BC is equal to EAC, means sides are congruent, and hence triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Thank you from Sanjay Thakre.